In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Aliexpress and effortlessly save product images directly to your device. Whether you're a savvy shopper, keen to keep track of preferred items, or an online reseller looking to showcase products, this simple guide focuses on making the process as smooth as possible. Let's dive right into the steps, starting with opening up your Aliexpress account. You might already have the app on your phone or a shortcut on your desktop. Regardless, get yourself logged in to access the full range of products offered. Aliexpress is one of the largest online shopping platforms, providing an extensive array of goods ranging from electronics and clothing to home decor and accessories. It's a treasure trove for finding unique items, and having an account helps you personalize your shopping experience. Once you're in, the next step involves browsing through the vast selection of products available. You can use the search bar to find specific items or explore various categories to discover something new. Take your time here, as Aliexpress boasts an immense collection. Once you've found a product that catches your eye, click on it to visit its dedicated product page. This page provides all the essential details such as specifications, pricing, shipping options, and customer reviews. It's important to read through these features to make informed purchasing decisions. Now here's the handy bit about saving images. On the product page, you'll see multiple images showcasing the product from different angles and in real-world settings. These images are not only useful for visualizing the product, but also for sharing with others or keeping in your inspiration files. To save an image, simply hover over it and right-click. If you're using a Mac, you might need to press the Control key as you click. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Select Save Image As. Choose your preferred location where the image will be stored, and give it a name that you can easily remember. Then just click Save, and the image is now stored on your device. And just like that, you've successfully saved a product image from Aliexpress. This function is immensely valuable for keeping a record of products you might want to purchase later, or if you're pulling together a catalog for your online business. Remember, many products on Aliexpress offer varying designs, colors, or specifications, so saving these images will help you compare and decide more efficiently. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only learned how to save images, but also navigated the nuanced and highly beneficial world of Aliexpress shopping. With these images stored on your device, you can organize and review your selections whenever you want. Thanks for joining me, and enjoy shopping smarter with Aliexpress.